Hey guys, Robert Renman here. I hope you're doing well. Today I want to show you a cool blues turnaround idea that you can use for ending a song. And by the way, I have a new headset mic that I'm testing out today, so I hope the sound is okay too. You can get tablature for this lesson by clicking the link in the YouTube description. Alright guys, I'm gonna play it for you at a slow tempo so you can really see where the fingers go. I'm starting on beat 2. So pay attention to how the top note keeps moving up. While the other note is mostly going the other direction. Alright guys, how was that? I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. And remember that you can get the tablature by clicking the link in the YouTube description. Alright, I will see you next time. Take care.